Ooh, it's not good. Not right there. Anyway, good morning and welcome to Cahir. We're down here actually to swap drones with someone, but I thought I may as well, make a video. I might look a bit different, probably a little bit fatter and uglier since my last video when I was travelling around Europe there. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that Europe travel. That's a bit of a tester for the big trip coming up now in September. Yeah, we're back actually having decent weather here in Ireland, and yes, I can access here. So I'll give you a little flip around. We're gonna do a little exploration of here, and then we're probably gonna go into the city as well and have a quick look. So whenever you see these kind of things here, whenever you see these here, you can just kind of step in and explore. There's no entrance fees and stuff like that. But again, be respectful and courteous. So, this plaque is erected to celebrate the visit of the most reverend bishop. Some dude came and checked it out. I think we all know this guy. So I was only in Cahir once. Cahir once a few years ago, and I was basically just just passing by. It's not very I can't actually get into the abbey. So it was freezing yesterday. Oh, it was roasting yesterday. It's a bit cold today now. Don't know if you can see that fishy thing there. So we are in Cahir city centre now. Just beside a nice river and the castle there. It's a beautiful castle now. If that isn't a thumbnail, I don't know what is. Anyway, let's have a little walk, see around, shall we? See? Oh look, little duck feeder. You're gonna feed the ducks. Hey guys. Rup. Rup. Rup, rup. So if you want to feed the geese. Very cute little ducks. Like almost tennis ball size and tennis ball colouring. Okay, that's a bad idea. Anyway, moving on. What you call them? Excalibur. Nice. I don't know if you can see that there. Hold on. There we go. You probably see a bit better now. Yeah, that's kind of cool. And the river goes around. Chair. Peter, what the hell is that? Oh, we'll get over to that in a second. And you can see the waterfall there. We'll go for a little walk around there and walk around the city as well. We are literally on the precipice of the city. Yeah, what's this? What's a pinnacle? Yes, my English is not too good. What is this? Very interesting. Cahir Club. The particular area is known as the Poist. Am I in Ireland? What bloody language are we speaking nowadays? Anyway, a nice golf course over there. Might be playing golf later this year. So this just seems to be a little small, tiny park off of the castle. I don't know if I can gain access to that. I think I can go around the back, so we'll have a look there. Oh, this looks cool. I love things grafted into other stuff like that. Savage looking. That is very well done. That's whoever done that. If you're watching my channel by any fluke of a chance, I approve. Very nice, very nice. I don't know, maybe I'm biased. I just love these whole castles and ruins and just pure history. Right there, dab in the middle of a city centre built around it. Yeah, these bits are cool. No idea the purpose of them, but and then we have the raging river that goes through Cahir. Don't know if we can get much of it there. The raging river. Anyway, let me know what you thought about those travelling videos. I'm thinking of changing them up a little bit more detailed. I kind of just glossed over a lot of things. But yeah, I'm already planning it for September, and it's now April. So that's how much planning goes into my trips. The last one was kind of a bit of it, but that's because it was 3 weeks. This one's going to be several months. So let me know what you think and what you want to see. Like, I'm going to China. I'm going to Beijing, Xi'an, Shanghai, the Avatar Mountains, Kunming, Chongqing, and I think 1 or 2 other places. So let me know what you want to see in those places. Definitely want to try out the food, and it just looks like there's so much potential there to do all these other cool things. And anyway, ooh, what's over there? That looks like a kind of a walkie-over bridge. Hold on. Yeah, okay, I wouldn't be going walkie over that bridge anytime soon. And yeah, okay, nice. Check out this cool thing. Ah, €1. Not bad. €1 and feed the ducks. That's grand. And if you're interested, there is a Swiss cottage about a mile away, 1.6 kilometers. I don't know why it's in miles. We don't do miles here. Basically, that's where we are. And yeah, I don't have the time or the interest to actually go see that. But if you wanted to, and then that's inspiration from the beehive huts that we have all around Ireland. The old houses that we used to build. Beautiful little waterfalls. It just adds to it, like, you know, adds to the experience. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to walk up here and see where we go. Memorial Garden. Ooh. Let's have it. You really have to look down when you're doing those steps, because they're spaced so far apart that they're not normal. So you could easily trip. Sorry, just coming off of a cold and a chest infection. There we go, you can have a read of that. So nothing for saying another mass, you know. Nothing like in the good old church in the middle of the, well, kind of the outskirts, but usually the centre point of the city. And I think I made a video here last time. It was just a quick walkthrough video. It was early in the morning. Beautiful stone houses. No? It's not really designed for pedestrians to cross, no, I have to say. There we go. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die. Perfect. Successful. Ooh. It's a nice place for a point. City centre. And beer gardens out. We're getting there. The temperature's warming up here. We're getting there. Nice little fountain in the middle of the town. Nothing more. So there's 1, 2, 3. Three pubs within eyesight there. Nice, we're taking a little stroll down this way towards the castle. So yeah, really half-arsing it today. Yeah. Seems to be some sort of entrance to the castle. Okay. love about the small little cities. You can just like stumble across the walls. Yeah. See if we can get more information. People do seem to be going inside, so we might be making a bit of a video of the inside of the castle and see how much it cost them. Again, I'm being very tight bastardy. I am here. The castle is there. We were just up and around there. That's just the market square and parking. And the River Suir, that's the river that's gone through it. Yeah, there's some heritage trails, nice beautiful walkways to go walking around. Do you know, a lot of people go to Castle and they just bypass this one. So maybe this one should kind of be the go-to. Like even the mountains in the background, don't know if you can see them there. Bike repair station. Oh look, all the tools and all. All the tools for repairing your bike and all, that's cool. Right, let's go over here and have a look.
Yeah, so if it was a fiver,
Right. €5. I think we could spare the €5. Yeah, no drones, so I'm not getting some drone footage here. I think I got some last time, maybe. Cottage jock there. Right, and you have some toilets. 5 to 10. We've only be up the road for 11, and the car parking is done at 11. So let's go on inside. So, oh, I might even have cash. Yeah, I do. I have cash. A $5 there. Lovely. Happy days. Right, I'm gonna change this to low light. Yeah. So I don't know if I made 2 videos. So if you haven't, check out my video on that, or I just combined the 2 of them into one, which you are still watching, and it just makes no sense what I just said there. Right. So yeah, the castle literally extends right onto the road here. I'm gonna take a little loop up and around and then back down. Right. You gotta think Neolithic times, you know, when they were trying to climb these things. And we're also like kind of in the middle of the country as well. Like we're not near like seas or anything like that. Love that. Church in the background as well. I love that. And yes, you are in the country, so you are going to see tractors and JCBs and cars and vans. And I haven't seen any motorhomes, so a little disappointed. Yeah, I think this guy found a way to cheat a few euro, because he's parked over here. I think it's free parking, so. And these would have been old textile mills or something, you know, or like what's called them, food mills. And there's the river running gently this way. Would you believe I thought I pressed record at the end of the Cahir town walk around? Let me know what you thought of it. I left a lot out because I want people to explore too. I don't want you to just sit there, watch the video, and then just, you know, okay, I've technically been there. I want you to go out and explore. So I left a lot out. I didn't visit that castle. I didn't go back to the church. Now there is an old video I had years ago where I did probably go around that church. So if you want to scroll through probably about 3 years worth of videos and find that one, go for it. Or probably search in Google and you'll find it. It's up to you. What else? Yeah, let me know what you think of the China trip. What would you like to see? Because I have a list of things I want to see, but maybe you want to see a different perspective, or you want to see a certain thing. Tiananmen Square, obviously, the Terracotta Warriors, the Avatar Mountains, but I do the real stuff, so I'm going to show you the struggle if and when there is some. It's like, yeah, that's 10,000 steps. It sounds great on Instagram, but in reality, for a 43-year-old, it's not that good. So stuff like that. Definitely want to try street food and indulge in that. So I'm trying to lose a bit of weight now. so I don't, become a big fat thing. Yeah, let me know what you thought of this video. We're changing things up a little bit, so let me know. Comment, like, subscribe down below. Do the thing. Do